So now let's see how we can work around with color balance effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with color balance effect, first of all, you need to go around onto image and then you need to go to adjustment right here. And over here you can see that color balance is an option. So once you go around onto balance right here, you can select out the range, that is the shadow range right here. And if I were to change around the red, then what happens is that the darker areas gets affected, as you can see right here, and balances out the color in the darker area. Then you can go around and select out the highlights, and that is the bright areas right here, where you can work around with red, green and blue to change around the highlight color right there. And apart from that, you can also go around onto midtones and change around the green right here. As you can see, you can change around the red and the blue right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the color balance effect inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.